Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to get a loan on PayPal. So the very first thing that you should do here is we have the option 1. So the PayPal working capital loan. So this one is fast approval, no credit check based on your PayPal sales history. So for the eligibility requirements, you must have a PayPal business or premier account. And your account must be at least 90 days old, and you must process at least $15,000 in PayPal sales annually for business accounts, and you must have no open working capital loan. So as you can see right here, if you go to the business tools, you'll be able to see here the financing option. Okay, but since we did not able to meet the eligibility requirement, we cannot find that option. Okay, now how you can apply, you just have to log into your PayPal business account. Okay, and then just have to go to www.paypal.com/workingcapital/apply. Okay, and then you just have to click the checked eligibility. Now, if you are eligible, then PayPal will show you the loan offers. Okay, so just have to select the loan amount and repayment percentage. So usually we have 10% to 30% of your PayPal sales. Now just have to review and accept the terms. Then the funds are usually deposited in your PayPal account within minutes or 24 hours. Now for the repayment, you just have automatically deducted as a percentage of your future PayPal sales. No fixed due dates, slower sales, slower repayment. Option 2, PayPal business loan. Okay, so for the eligibility for this one, at least 9 months in business and at least $33,300 a year in revenue. So US based business for now. So how to apply, you just have to go to www.loanbuilder.com and then just have to complete the short online questionnaire, receive a loan offer within minutes. And then you just have to accept the offer and verify identity business info. And the funds are deposited usually within 1 to 2 business days. And for the repayment, fixed weekly payments over a set term, so 12 to 52 weeks, comes from your linked bank account, not from PayPal balance. Now, if you don't see the options, you may not be eligible yet. Not enough PayPal sales, new accounts, or restricted region. So you just have to try logging in from a desktop browser instead of a mobile app. So try accessing www.paypal.com/webapp/workingcapital/. So the alternative financing options, if you are not eligible for PayPal loans, try Stripe Capital if you use Stripe, or look into Square Loans, Kiva, Shopify Capital, or a local bank, MFI. Again, when applying for a PayPal loan, make sure you have a business or premier account that at least 90 days old with consistent sales. Typically $15,000 or more annually for working capital, or $33,300 plus for a business loan. So ensure that your account has no open loans, and keep in mind that eligibility is based on your PayPal sales history, not credit score. So repayment for working capital is automatic as percentage of future sales, while business loans have fixed weekly payments. Always review the terms carefully, check your region's availability, and apply through PayPal's official website using a desktop for best visibility. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.